Hello and welcome to the video tutorial on how to use Google Form quizzes on Zoom. Google Form quizzes are very useful for surveying students, informally quizzing them, or checking for their understanding. Before you use a Google Form quiz, you must create one. So let me show you how. Log into your Google Drive and find a folder you want to store the Google Form quiz in. Next, right-click on the screen, hover over the word More, and select Google Forms. Click Create and Share. For this scenario, I will be a math tutor wanting to create a practice quiz for my students. So here I go. First, I will go to the setting, unclick the Restrict button, which makes your student sign in and thus creating hassles for them. Click on Quizzes, make this a quiz, and click Save. After that, I get to title it, and I click up here to title it again. Now it's time to create the questions. I have the ability to choose however I want to create the ability to give answers in. I could do it short paragraph form, short answer form, multiple choice form, and so much more. For my particular quiz, I will do it multiple choice style. So here are the possible answers. Once I've created my question and answers, click on the answer key. Give it a number, a point system that you want this answer to be worth, and click the correct answer for that particular question. When you are done, click Done, and then create the next question by clicking this Add Question Plus button and following the instructions I had given above. Now that we've created our quiz with all of the questions, the way that you would implement the quiz is by going to the Send button up here, clicking this link, shortening the URL, copying it, and then if you are in Zoom, you have the ability to share it through chat. You could also, if your students are in breakout rooms, throw it into the broadcast message to all button, or you can also email it to your students or post it on Blackboard Learn. Once the students have taken the quiz, you can go and find the responses by entering the Google Form quiz, going to the Responses button, and once they've taken the quiz, the 0 should have a different number. It should be the number of students that have taken the quiz. You will generate a spreadsheet by creating it, and it will pop out a Excel sheet that will timestamp when the student took it, the score the student got, and then for each answer, what score they have put down. Now you will notice that I did not create a name question for my particular quiz. You have the option to do that if you would like, and if you, again, do not make it an answer key, the name will not be worth any point. All of the questions start out with 0 point until you answer key it and add a point to it. So that, in sum, is how you create a Google quiz on the Google Drive. This is how you also embed and implement them in your Zoom session. And I've also gone over how you can look at scores after students have taken the quiz. So good luck!